Hi, I'm Chris Smith, and in this video I will show you how to convert a CSV file into JSON format in less than a minute. Check it out. Okay, so let's jump right in. I have a CSV file here, and I can see that in numbers, and this is just a dummy data set, and I want to get it into JSON format. So to do this, I'm going to use the retool.com/utilities page. And on here is a whole bunch of useful stuff for importing data into databases and generating mock data and converting data. And so to do this, we'll just choose the first one, converting CSV to JSON. Then I will upload my CSV file and click next. And then I can see the file and all of the data in it. And I can go in and modify individual values if I want to by clicking into the cell. And you can also generate custom data here, so like mock dummy data if you need to. And then I'll click next, and now my data is converted. So all I have to do is copy that JSON to my clipboard, and I can paste it into my code editor and format it and see that I have the data now in JSON format. So great success. I can also download the new CSV file if I made any changes. But also I can convert it into an API from here. I can write it into a database. I can generate a simple CRUD app on top of it. So that's how to convert your data from CSV to JSON and a whole lot more. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and feel free to check out other videos on the channel about sort of data manipulation, data admin, database management, all of those things. Thanks a lot.